The following will help you better understand how to use APA to cite sources in text and in your references. In-text citations follow the author date style. The purpose of an in-text citation is to refer the reader to the references at the end of your paper. When you reference a source in your paper, you can do so in a couple of ways. One way is to have direct quotation. With a direct quotation, authors, year, and page numbers are included. Another way to cite an article is by paraphrasing it. When you paraphrase, only the author and year are required. If you mention the author in your sentence, the author should be excluded from the in-text citation. In the example below, we mentioned the author's names in the sentence, so the date is the only thing in parentheses. Similarly, if you refer to the year in the sentence, you only need to refer to the authors in the parenthesis. The references list the citations in a hanging indent format and alphabetical order for all the sources in your paper. These elements give readers all the information they need to locate the sources on their own. Please note two distinctive differences in APA. Number one, APA follows sentence-style capitalization for article titles. And number two, a permalink is not necessary. The DOI, or Digital Object Identifier, should be used if available. APA directs that these elements should be assembled in the following order, with correct punctuation: author, publication date, article title, journal title, volume, issue, page numbers, and DOI. For more information, check out a copy of the APA Handbook or visit the APA Style section on Purdue's online writing lab.